Why Krazy with a K?
Because it's kind of crazy.
Okay, love that.
Hi, this is Katherine reporting for Kids First and Cat Around Town, and right now I'm in Park City, Utah for the 40th edition of the Sundance Film Festival, and I am at the premiere for Krazy House. Set in the 1990s, Krazy House follows religious homemaker Bernie and his sitcom family. When Russian workers in Bernie's house turn out to be wanted criminals, Bernie has to man up and save his imprisoned family while slowly going crazy. Looks like the cast and crew are coming. Things are about to get crazy in here. Krazy with a K.
Hi, I'm Katherine. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so I'm here with Alicia right now. So how do you feel to be at Sundance right now?
It's really fun. I'm very excited for these guys, especially because they came from Holland and this is their first American film, and their dream was to come to Sundance, and it happened, so it's really nice.
Dreams come true at Sundance.
Yeah.
This movie obviously has crazy in the name, so what was the most crazy thing that happened on set?
That's impossible. Everything is crazy that happened all the time. I mean, like effects guys were meant to shoot blood into Nick's, so that there would be blood on Nick's face, but it went right into his eyeballs.
Oh!
Yeah, so that was really intense. And then every day we would come home from work with black coming out of your nose and your mouth. We were just staying, because we would be barbecuing over this makeshift. The set is so insane. It's really difficult to explain. It's just something people need to see. I think if you like really artistic, weird, funny, ridiculous, mad insanity, I think you'd love it. Yeah. And it's a good story, and all the performances are so good. All of these guys are brilliant.
And I think the concept is so interesting that it kind of shifts from like one tone to another. So
yeah, 90s sitcom that goes terribly wrong.
Right.
Yeah.
What was it like working with the cast and crew?
Wonderful. We were in Amsterdam, which is a dream. I love being there, riding my bike when I had a moment, walking. And if you live in Amsterdam, you ride in the rain, and I was riding in the rain, so I felt like I belonged there. But each actor who was selected, they are so good. The people, there's a man named Jan. He plays the older Russian man. He's one of the most revered theater actors in Belgium. Ooh. And all of them, every single person in this brought so much. And Heita and Walt, who you met here tonight, they're so good. They play my kids, and they're just so good. It's a really, really wonderful cast. And it felt like we were doing theater because we were all together in this one stage. Our location was always the same. So we all just spent a lot of time together. Sometimes I would walk up to the room that they were hanging out in, and they were jumping up and down, playing music, singing, and I thought, well, I want to hang out in here.
Aww, well, that's so great.
Nice.
Thank you so much for talking with me.
Thank you.
Can you kind of explain your role in the movie?
Yes, it's a family of four, and I play the daughter.
Okay.
And I start very happy and new to life, and I end up traumatized by so many things. It's unnameable.
Yeah. So this movie it's like obviously like a 90s sitcom, and then to horror. Did you ever watch any sitcoms?
Yeah, I did. I watched a lot of Friends. That's a sitcom, right?
I love Friends. Yeah.
Me too. I watched all of it 5 billion times.
So obviously it has crazy in the name. So what was the craziest thing that happened on set?
Well, there's one scene, and I can't say it because I will spoil it, but it has to do with my character. Where something happens to my character, and if you see the movie, you'll know instantly what I'm talking about, and it's wild. It's wild. You will know truly. If you see it, you're like, oh, that's the thing.
Here we go.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm here with the director right now. Well, congrats on coming to Sundance.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited. We're going to see it in a full venue for the first time, so that's something I'm really looking forward to. Just listening to the audience, seeing how they respond, where they respond, if they respond.
Yeah. Did you draw any inspiration from any sitcoms when you were kind of trying to make the beginning?
Totally, yeah. I think all the 90s sitcoms, or the 80s and 90s sitcoms, the reruns, I watched as a kid. I'm from Amsterdam, but we have all the reruns of all the American sitcoms, and there was not too much on television, so you would just watch them all because that was it. We built a sitcom house for this film, and we were of course inspired by Married to Children. We did lots of things. The floor plan sort of touches a lot of those things. Elf, the sitcom. There's also we got the kitchen with the windows that open like Elf. So yeah, all big inspirations.
What was your favorite sitcom when you were younger?
I think it was Married with Children. It was already a parody, of course, but
Right.
I mean that's the one I watched the most.
So this film has crazy in the name. So what was the most crazy thing that happened on set?
I think every day there was something crazy, and I cannot spoil too much, of course, but it involves lots of fire.
Oh. All right. Well,
I think that was pretty, and our real actors doing some stunts themselves, which was cool that they did that. So yeah.
yeah, for sure. Well, that definitely sounds crazy.
Yeah.
The Christians are celebrating Easter. And Bernie's got it all under control.
Cheese and rats!
But a slippery situation makes him lose his grip.
Oh my God!
How many times have I told you to take off those stupid things?
Can Bernie find a solution
Lifting's no problem.
and fix the mess he created?
Gosh, what a mess.
Or is he going to lose his mind? Find out on the next Krazy House. Sundance.
This is Katherine reporting for Kids First. Thanks for joining us at Sundance Film Festival 2024. Please don't forget to subscribe to Kids First and check out all of our reviews and interviews.